Honestly, dude, I'm not gonna lie. The Z125 is just so fucking... Baby! No, it's not what it looks like. I'm serious. Let's... Just look over there for... What up, YouTube? It's Teegnar, just chilling here in my garage. My brand new Honda Grom. Today I'm gonna bring you some knowledge of how to install RSC lever, baby! Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna show you why you need this RSC. I'm getting sick of busting my knuckles with this long 4-finger lame-ass gay lever that all you guys are using. Going with this RSC, because whenever that boy's on there, it only takes 1 finger. All right, so your first step is gonna be taking an 8mm and getting whatever bullshit lever you had on here off. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, then you probably shouldn't be on YouTube. So you'll want to unplug these 2 wires, and some dudes cut these. I would jump them with a fuse. Otherwise, I think if you just cut them and leave them how it is, your bike will like only ever start neutral with the kickstand down, and that. We both know you're going to be stalling circles and stuff, so yeah. Yeah, we're going to do it just like that. All right, so I went ahead and jumped these 2 with a 10 amp, and we'll find out later. I may or may not find a better place to relocate this, and then it would probably be a good idea to wrap this with some electrical tape, but we like to half-ass everything around here, so we probably won't, but you should. So on your RSC lever here, this guy is a little set screw, and you can actually adjust like where you want your lever, but if you're not going to use it, I would probably just take it out of there, so that's what we're going to do now. All right, so you guys want a little pro tip to make your life easier. I would probably put this cable in your RSC before you put the RSC on the bike, because it's kind of a pain in the ass right now. Also, you have 2 options on here. This inner hole up here is going to be more like the stock pull. I think it's still actually easier than stock pull, but what you're probably going to want is this bottom hole down here. That's the easy pull setting. So that way you don't get finger fatigue whenever you're popping the clutch. And you better popping that clutch. Get out there. All right, YouTube, we got the RSC lever on. Sorry I didn't walk you through much of the procedure, but it's honestly really simple. You unbolt the old one, bolt the new one on. You shouldn't need much help with that. I did mention those fuses earlier. What we're doing for right now, I had just enough gap between my control and my lever that I just wrapped it in between. It looks like it's gonna stay just fine for now. Doesn't look too shitty from the front. So something that is important to mention when putting your lever on though, go ahead and put your top bolt in first. That's gonna eliminate any gap up here. It makes it look nice and clean and flush, and it's a RSC. It should always look nice and clean. Speaking of that, I would definitely run your dirt boot over it. It's a Grom. I guarantee you're gonna throw that RSC on and go hit a trail or some shit, so. And then there's plenty of videos on YouTube on adjusting these. I don't want to unadjust these and readjust these for you. I've already got them set. But clearly, I'm sure you messed with a clutch lever before. The more you adjust this out, the further out your friction zone is going to be. And the more you pull it in, vice versa. And then make sure this is nice and tight up against the lever. That way it's not going anywhere. But, yeah, YouTube, that's the RSC. Yeah, we'll just hope that it's right. I know you got some new parts and you're excited, baby. I'll put you up in there in a minute, don't worry. Settle down, settle down. So I wouldn't be doing this video justice without showing you why I put an RSC lever on this. So let's test her out, make sure she works. Works great! Alright, for real though, YouTube, sorry for the corny intros and shit, but big shout out to my homeboy Loston. I appreciate the hospitality and the clutch lever and whatever. You know why you're here. Peace!